ഇതുപോലുള്ള മെറ്റീരിയൽ. ഹലോ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, നമസ്കാരം. ഇതാ
Assalamualaikum. How are you? How is working?
showing this machine laser. This operator, this machine.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
I'm the operator and can handle these two machine. And I will show you how to operate the machine. For example, in the beginning to the last.
Okay. So show you something for me, like how to work this machine.
Before to work, always wearing your safety.
Okay.
After, check the cooler is working. After that, switch on the machine. No, the cooler inside there is some water level. Should be always green level.
Okay.
After before we start machine, after checking, we will start work.
What is the benefit this machine for purpose?
This machine is very good for any machine because very big advantage. It's very fast, very clean, and the most important, very small thickness we can weld this machine, laser welding. 0.5 thickness we can pull weld this machine.
Okay.
Other thick make we cannot direct, only spot coming, thick spot, make spot. But this one machine laser welding continuous, even small thickness. This is the advantage.
Only for stainless steel, all material doing this one.
Yeah, all. There is some different filler. There is some brush, aluminum. This one.
Okay.
There is some brush, aluminum,
The
MS,
Other pillar,
ayun.
The pillar.
Aluminum, ada. This is aluminum. This is brush. Ayan. The other one, there stainless.
Stainless steel. How to setting this setting machine? How to setting? Please tell me how to setting. How to setting?
Example, now the machine is off.
Okay.
After that, first start.
Ayun.
Now there is some password. You will put the password.
Okay.
After, this is the power.
Okay.
You put which power you will, which
Ayun.
that define the thickness.
Depende upon thickness of the
Yeah.
material.
The material, the thickness is small size, 1 milli. You can reduce the power.
Okay.
Example, for me 1 milli, I always rocket. I will put always 250 watt.
Okay.
But after this one on, this
Okay.
one switch
Okay.
on off.
Okay.
After this one swing, you want swing, without swing, this one.
Okay.
After this one, the width, which size the width of melting welding,
Okay.
this one. After this one, the center point of lens,
Okay.
light, this one.
Okay.
If you this one, the center, this light.
Okay. Okay.
If you see this one's not center, you can adjust from here,
Adjust
from parameter.
parameter.
Yes. Now this welding machine, laser welding,
Okay.
you can weld. You can weld this one. Here, I put the ground here.
Okay.
We will put the ground here. After, you can start to weld.
Something example like something like pay
No.
some pieces. for trial.
Trial?
One piece something.
Okay,
Trial.
I will show you.
Trial piece. How
This
to
one.
weld? How to weld this?
I will try to weld from here. This
Okay.
this one, this side.
How much thickness this
This
one?
thickness is 2 milli.
2 milli.
So I will put here 350 or
Okay.
360.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
now I will start to. You can put here the ground.
Okay.
Much better for me here.
Okay. Okay. Show you. ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള വെൽഡിംഗ് ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ജസ്റ്റ് കാണാം ഇതെങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളത്. ഇതാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പറേറ്ററാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫിലിപ്പീൻസ് ആളാണ്. നമുക്കിത് കാണാം ഇതെങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്നുള്ളത്. ഇതുപോലുള്ള മെറ്റീരിയൽസാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. തിന്നായിട്ടുള്ള വർക്കാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. കണ്ടില്ലേ?
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice welding. How this laser? 2 milli sheeting.
Okay.
That's the advantage of laser. Very fast and very clean.
Very clean.
Very fast.
Okay, okay.
After that finish, you can switch off from here
Okay.
and the breaker.
Breaker.
There is a breaker.
Okay. Breaker.
And this laser welding, there is some argon
Using argon.
using argon.
Argon.
The purpose of the argon is to fast melt the material.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Alex.
Okay, thank you.